What is good, gang? What is good, chat? How are you all doing? Happy Tuesday. It's been a while since I've been here. Yeah, it's been a while. I'm happy to be back, you know. I'm happy to be back live streaming. So we'll see what the market is gonna do. It's a day after a bank holiday, so we're just here, you know, early and just gonna go and tune in, basically, chat. We're gonna have some fun, have some trading going on. So if you're here, let me know. Case of what is good. Good evening. I-send ko lang tong link, and yeah, we can talk more about the market later on. But yeah. All right. Yeah, just seeing the market now. It's currently dumping, currently trading at previous day low, chat. Both ES and NQ is at previous day low, hanging around at this level. So I think ideally we want to trade back into this level first bago tayo mag-dump, but you know, it's not required for value gaps to get filled, so I'm not too sure if we're gonna have it. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what the market do today. Nag-expect ako ng more chop at the AM session. Especially, guys, nagkaroon tayo ng Asian session Asia being large range day. And usually, you know, when it's like this, it's not gonna be good at AM session. So I'm gonna be very cautious kung anong gagawin ng market today. Gonna be very cautious of what the market does today. Need to be extra careful. So right now I'm just plotting the key levels. So far, downside is being favored ever since the market has opened. Di ko sure if mag-iiba to when the market open at 9:30, but yeah, we have a good gap once we open. So regular trading hour gap. Opening, what's this? To opening gap high. Wow, what the candle is that? Anong klaseng candle yun siya? What did we just had? What kind of candle is this? Did we have some kind of news? Did we just have any news event that occurred? Bakit biglang may paganon? Bakit may biglang pa-pump na ganon, chat? What's this candle? Big candle, huh? What's this candle? Did we just have a news event? Wow, it's still going. What a pump. Pre-market, what a pump, chat. What a pump. Crazy pump. I think we have Iran. We've reached an understanding on main principle with the US. Okay, okay. It's getting peace. Ito, meron tayong news. Ayan. Iran foreign minister will reach an agreement, understanding on main principle with the US. So we just had a news event. We traded into a 15-minute gap. In my opinion, this is not gonna be sustained if bigla tong mag-reject from this level, from this 15-minute gap. But that was a big pump, chat. That was a big pump. How did that affect the dollar? Yeah, crude oil is dumping. Ang NQ is pushing higher. Like, look at crude oil. Why did it dump on crude oil? I don't know. But yeah, that was driven by news at 8:51. 8:51, that was a big news. Morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you are all doing well. I've already launched my private Discord, so no more daily live stream on YouTube. This is the only day I'll be live on YouTube, kaya medyo inagahan ko. So guys, so you guys can tune in. It's gonna be on my Discord going forward. Gonna be on my Discord chat. Discord. I think we have like 11 people who sign up over the weekend already. How many people did we have? 20 lang yung inopen ko slot sa private Discord ko. So far, we have... User. How many is this? Products. Yeah, we got 11 people who sign up already for the private community. Nine slots left. Wow, big push down. After that big pump, we now getting this big push. What a pump, what a dump. What's gonna happen now? Meron ba tayong NWOG? I wanna see if we got an NWOG. Yeah, we have a good NWOG level, chat. We have a good NWOG level. We're getting some good volatility, huh, chat? Good volatility. We haven't closed down dito sa 15-minute for value gap to the upside. This makes me want to trade the pre-market, honestly. It makes me tempted to trade the pre-market today. It tempts me. I know AM is not gonna be good. Alam ko yung AM is not gonna be favorable. Kaya parang prefer ko mag-trade ng pre-market today. It's either pre-market or... Grabe, sakto rin siya sa daily low. That's kind of crazy. I think this is the drawn liquidity. I think we'll go back down dito. Gonna target this if I'm going to look for a trade. Yung news low na yan, I'm gonna target it. I think it's a suspect for trade lower. Nag-bounce tayo into a daily level. And I think people think this is a support right now. Retail think this is a support. Kasi this is a previous day level eh. Tapos dito nag-pump yung market. People have their stop losses down here right now. So I think it's gonna be attack. Di ko lang alam paano ako mag-enter here. Maybe a 30 seconds gap. Maybe a trade back into this mean threshold. Let's say trade siya dito. Stop above this. It's gonna be 18-point stop. 27 times 4. Feeling ko mag-enter ako dito sa 57. Yeah, I'm gonna attempt this one. It's 3 micros. I'm gonna try this chat. Then I'm gonna try and target this key level to the downside. Show me 1 minute for value gap right now. In a sensei, I get my check. Not my mind, no man. Keep loading on my race. I can't quickly on my rage. Kasi gusto ko to eh. Like, even this 1 minute FVG, I like it. Pero gusto ko magkaroon ng stop ng 32 points, so it needs to be a bit wider. Or even up here, like mas maganda yung, yeah, maganda yung stop dito. Kung 1 minute's gonna be too much. But I think, chat, this is gonna go down dito sa downside. This double bottom kasi nag-pump yung market. Palagay ko lang, not financial advice. But it looks sus sa downside. See, it's getting dumpy right now. Dumpy. Ooh, needing what to do, and I'm not gonna lose. And I'm thinking that the sunflower loving me too much. Diba, chat? It's just getting manipulated, chat. It's just getting manipulated. Bro, kailangan ko ba i-cancel yung subscription ng PA kapag na-breach? No, it will automatically be cancelled. First time sa live mo, bro. Let's go. Excited na ako matapos daylight saving. Yeah, me too. Excited na akong bumalik sa dating routine, you know? I'm excited as well, just like you guys. Di ako na-feel, no? Di ako na-feel dito. I'm not filled, chat. I'm not filled. May tendency ding ano eh. I feel like I could re-enter dito sa 15-minute level na to if we do get that. Say mag-trade tayo back into this level, dito sa 15-minute key level. Pwede ako mag-take ng base it in here, like, problem is, yeah, 15, yeah, pwede din yun, pwede din to. Pero feeling ko, it's gonna dump from here already. 9 o'clock open. We're just chopping around. You love me too much. Anong bias nyo today, chat? Are you guys bullish or bearish? Ako, honestly, mas prefer ko sana, like, this week, we trade above this level first bago tayo mag-dump into this key level here. But we took the previous day low, pwede tayo mag-trade all the way up here. But right now, the structure is more favoring sa downside. So it's possible na hindi tayo mag-revert back up into this daily fair value gap. Right? I think that's totally possible na hindi na natin balikan to and just dump unless magkaroon tayo ng 1 hour CISD. So kunyari, 1 hour started pushing with bullish for value gap. I think we go here. Pero as long as the structure itself is lower low and lower low, lower high, I think this just continue going to dump. So hanggat wala tayong shift sa 1 hour, itong daily for value gap na to, it's not guaranteed to get filled. So right now, the price action is favoring more sa downside. To me, this is a manipulation. That news is manipulation, and I think this is gonna be targeted today. Itong double bottom nito. Retail think this is a support, lalo na nangyari yung news na yun during the daily key level. So Idol, good day. Malalaman ba pag may violation ka sa eval? Walang violation sa eval. You can trade however you want. Effective yung pass or smash strat mo, bro. Yeah, I mean, you're gonna blow account, you're gonna pass account. Maybe mas marami yung mababagsak mo, but at the end of the day, you're funded agad. So you can start earning sa PA account mo. Sakit na nga naka-chat. Labi ko. Kulang water. All right, chat, I am back. What did we just do in this market? Let's see. I think, to be fair, I think yung ES, I think it might touch this NWOG high. To NQ, I don't think it will do that, but you know, we'll see. If we close above this, itong level na to, if we close above this level, we're gonna trade higher. Pero in the meantime, mas favored ko yung downside. Mas favored ko yung downside at the moment. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Kanina gusto ko mag-short here, tapos tinanggal ko yung order ko. Did not like the way na we push down too much without filling my entry. Nagtitrade ka rin ba ng gold? No, I don't. It's not my market. It's also very volatile right now. And ban siya sa mga firm right now, so no, I don't trade gold. Anong mga tips para sa new PA? Ilang micros pinaka-advisable? So, it's gonna be depend on the amount of risk. Basta isipin mo lagi is ganito. Magkano yung risk na gusto kong i-take per trade, right? It's up to you what that number is. For me, decent amount is $200. Meron kang 2.5 na drawdown, so kailangan matalo ka ng 12 times, 10 to 12 times before mo blow yung account, right? So that's the sweet spot, 200 para sa akin, $200. So based on that, dun ka mag-adjust ng SL mo. So if your stop loss is 50 points, i-calculate mo ilang micro para sa 50 points na stop. So it's gonna be depend. Hindi siya one size fit all na 10 micros every time kasi magbe-base yan sa stop loss size mo. It's not gonna be based on, yeah, it's gonna be based on the size. It's relative sa risk mo. What is this level? 930 first presented for value gap on last Friday. Nice respect on ES. Mag-move ba NY open and daylight saving time? Yeah, mag-move back siya ng 1 hour. So, advance na lang tayo ng 12 hours. Right now, we are advanced by 13 hours. So, kapag 12 hours na lang. So, 9:30 PM na siya ulit. We're nearing 6K, chat. If you haven't subs yet, make sure you sub. When balik ng DST? March 8, if I'm not mistaken. It's gonna be on March 8. Let's see. Alam ko March 8 to my recollection. Yeah, March 8. Sunday, March 8. So Monday, March 9. Sunday yung So we got this on Forex Factory, ayan. Daylight saving time shift. Sunday, 3 AM. So March 9. March 9 na tayo, no? March 9 trading day. Which is also nice. That means I can sleep early. You guys can sleep early. Hello, John Carl. What's good? Guys, we're nearing 6K. Hopefully we get 6K soon. I need to put out more vlogs. Apparently, that's where I get more subs from. Vlogs. YouTube. Is anyone, guys, playing PS5 sa inyo? Who's playing Resident Evil here? Sinong naglalaro ng Resident Evil? Politics. Ooh, not bad, not bad. Plus 53 sub, rich. 2.5K viewers, engagement, budget. Viewers. It was not bad base it, I guess. It was not a bad base it based from. This wasn't bad of a base it on this 15-minute cap. Karon tayo ng CISD, possibly dito. Feeling ko mag-trade ako pre-market. I might take a trade before market opens. But that depends. We're gonna see, chat. We're gonna see. I'm gonna let you know. I have a feeling na magda-dump to straight at market open. Take this low and then stop moving, essentially. But yeah, so far, in my eyes, it's still bearish market. Structure is bearish. But at the same time, I know it can chop. So you got a 1 hour, 1H sell side liquidity pool, and structure right now, structure wise, it's very bearish. So mas naglilin ako towards the bearishness of this market. Do 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 do. Ooh, do 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 do. 1, 2. The case. 5, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5, 197, 18, 22. Do 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 do. Yo, ask ko lang, na-break mo yung MAE rule. Need mo mag-request. Kung need muna mag-request bago mag-reset ng 8 trading days ulit. Yeah, that's correct. Pag na-break mo yung rule with Apex right now, tatanggalin nila yung profit mo with intraday. So make sure you guys don't break the rule. Kasi pag na-break nyo yung rule, tapos nag-profit kayo throughout the day, tatanggalin nila yung profit on that day. And then you would need to trade 8 more days. Tapos malalaki yung mga previous profit mo. Makukuha mo lang yung mga new profit mo when kapag nakapag-request ka ng payout ng isang beses successfully. There has been a new update with the MAE rule. So as much as possible, don't break the MAE rule. Gumagamit ka ng order flow? No, I don't. I use ICT concept. ICT concept, guys. I use ICT. The man, the meat, the legend. Do 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 do. Where to check new Apex changes? Hindi pa yata na-announce, but it's more like them enforcing the rules. Nag-send sila ng affiliate email, but essentially yun yung changes when it comes to, walang change when it comes to rule, it's just the punishment you get. Yung MAE, it's been there for a while now. Before kasi is kapag na-breach mo yung MAE, madi-deny payout mo, right? Right now, pag na-breach mo yung rule, lilitaw agad yan sa PA account mo. May lalabas na violation sa PA account, and then mag-email sila sa'yo ano yung next step para makuha mo yung payout. Or essentially, paano ka makakuha ng payout. So to give you guys example, meron ako isang account that I believe I have breached. Yan, PA, active PA. Pag kinlik nyo yung PA chart nyo, makikita nyo may nakalagay violation. Tapos sa pinakababa, makikita mo yung manual adjustment. Like, magkano yung tinanggal, tapos ano yung violation, bakit tinanggal yung profit mo. So, kunyari, nag-profit ka ng 15K dahil nag-full port ka, minax contract mo. Tatanggalin nila yon kasi galing siya sa violation, essentially. Which account is that? Which account are you, my friend? My friend. Ito, tingnan mo to. Account 197, right? Meron akong violation. It says violation here. I believe MAE ang na-violate ko. So, kailangan kong mag-profit ng 8 trading days para makapag-request ulit ng payout, which is not a problem in my case. So, yeah. It's not a problem. Ba, pwede na ako mag-request dito, I think. How much is my... Kano yung... Wow, wait. Pwede na ako mag-request, I think. 3,000... 20 times 0.30 is equals to... Oh, kailangan ko ng 10K. So, I just need 2K more. But yeah, may ganyan nalilitaw. Kapag nakapag-violate ka ng rule, so make sure you don't violate any rules, chat. Don't violate any rule. What time frame? It's fractal. Any time frame, you can use it. Any changes? No, there's no other changes. It's still the same. Same rules pa din. Ang difference lang is yung punishment na makukuha mo. Before nga, sabi ko nga, 8 trading days, magte-trade ka. But now, ahead of time, sasabihan ka nila, hey, na-violate mo tong rules. Dahil na-violate mo yung rule, matatanggal yung profit mo for intraday. If you made 3K on that particular day because of rule violation, tatanggalin nila yon. And the thing is, hindi aayusin yung distribution drawdown mo. So, kunyari, 50K account, right? Fresh 50K. Nag-full port ka, 10 contracts. You made 3K. Pag yung balance mo naging 53K, nakalock na yung initial balance mo sa drawdown. So, pag tinanggal na yung 3K, mabublow yung account kasi wala ka ng balance. Or wala ka ng drawdown na matitira. 50K, it's a mix of 50K and 150 right now. Mix of 50K and 150K right now. Hindi mo na ako nauhaw kasi yung labi ko pumuputok. Right, 9:23 na chat. It's 9:23. We're about to find out. Ako kung tatanungin ako nung gusto kong makita, I want to see this low get traded. I think this is a liquidity pool to the downside. Nag-take tayo ng liquidity to the upside, which is up here. We also have the London session high. Yan, London session. Tapos, we also have the regular trading hour. Regular trading hour, let's see. Quadrants. Yep, there you go. Mag-open ang market somewhere here. Pwedeng ma-attack itong London session, but we'll see. Kung akong tatanungin, I'd like the short side. Form an equal top right now on ES. Triple top. Triple top on the ES. Five more minutes, guys. 5 more minutes. Market is gonna open. Consolidation down here. So ako mag-short dito. Like, I wanna front run this market open. 18 points, stop. Kahit sa mga 150 case ko lang. So ko siyang i-front run, but yeah. 5 minutes pa eh. Siguro if itong candlestick na to, if this candlestick is gonna be like 2 minutes before open, iti-take ko tong trade na to. But it's still like 5 minutes away. Could still chop in here, you know. Or pwede rin siyang mag-trade into this for value gap. This FVG, mag-trade siya dito. Tapos drop down. Pero yun nga, gusto ko to, itong level na to. I'd like this level sa downside. While being mindful na we still have buy side sa taas. May trailing drawdown ba sa eval? Yeah, meron. Ano yun? Makukuha mo pa din yung profit kapag nag-trade ng 8 trading days? Yeah, makukuha mo pa din. Yes, you will still be able to get it. Day after bank holiday, guys. Keep in mind, the market is not gonna be easy. A day after bank holiday, in my experience, it's not gonna be easy to trade with. We're now dropping, huh? From this FVG. 4 more minutes. No positions yet. I'll let you guys know if I will be in a position. So far, no positions yet. Market is just jumping around at this level. I like this 850 low as a drawn liquidity. Lagay natin to. Ako nalagay. The fuck, bro. Sakto yung ano, no? London session high sa market sa 50%. Yeah, I like this. Damn, it looks like it's gonna dump from here. Not gonna lie, chat. It looks dumpy from here. For our 7 times 4. 7. I'm gonna try this. It's either I'm gonna be right or I'm gonna be wrong. Try ko tong isel. Stop ko at 72. I think my risk here is about 900 per account. Pag punta dito yung price, I'm gonna do break even. Okay ko yung stop ko just above this 15-minute high. We still have fair value gap here that we need to be careful of. Yeah, I want to see this dump at market open. 17 seconds. Either I'm gonna win or I'm gonna lose, my friends. So tong downside here, but we'll see. About to get stuck. Oh no! What the frick, chat? I just got swept. I got swept. Oh my god. What was that? I got swept. Now it's gonna dump. Holy cow. Dapat dito na lang ako nag-sell. Oh my god, that is freaking crazy. That is very annoying. Oh my god. That is annoying. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, woulda, shoulda. That is crazy. I'm down like. Now 1 mini lang pala ako, which is not bad. Kala ko naka 2 contracts ako doon. I like the downside. Like, gusto ko yung downside, chat. I swear, I like the downside. I should have shorted there instead. Mali yung shorting level ko. That's freaking crazy, bro. I'm gonna attempt this one more. Same level. Pag nag-top ito. Oh shit! No! Fuck! What the fuck just happened, chat? What the fuck just happened? I'm cooked, chat! I am cooked! Nablow ko yung isa kong account. My 150k account. Holy shit. Man, I got cooked. Chat. I got cooked. Blow yung isang account and the rest of my 150k are down 1-4 right now. That's kinda annoying. What the heck? Hindi, pero okay lang. It is what it is. It's part of the game. Part of trading. I have reserve. I can activate later on. Day after a bank holiday. Yeah, day after bank holiday, you need to be careful. Day after bank holiday because it's gonna chop. Mali ko dito was, I entered here instead of here. If dito ako nag-enter, I would be fine. Right? Baka ma-top tick ko ulit siya and then take profit here or kaya naman here. Problem is, I got impatient on this key level down here. Nag-short ako immediately at this level and I tried one more and it took the high. And now, it's just dumping again. I don't know. That's pretty fucking annoying. Down ako na, I don't know. Too much. 151. I need to get rid of 151. Bro, that was fast. Yeah. Yeah. Dapat dito ako nag-short. In here, tapos target this low. That would have been fucking 50 points. SL in milliseconds. Yeah, it happens. Nagpiping-pong yung PNL ko with this 150k account. It's been like this for the past few days. Ping-pong yung PNL ko. Up 1k, down 1k. Been like this. But yeah, let's recap, right? Gusto ko tong level na to, like I said, for the sell side liquidity pool. Now, we're trading into a 50% ng this London session high. We got this London session high, di ba chat? Which is coincidentally 50% ng market up here. So, now we're about to fill that. We are about to fill that level. There you go, we filled it. Now the question is, are we going to trade all the way up sa opening range gap high? Dito sa ES, it looks like we're gonna trade sa opening gap high. On the ES, yep, we did trade. Now NQ is it gonna follow through? One nice thing about this is nag-trade tayo into a midnight open. We did not close into it, which is ito yung market open, but really I want to see it trade all the way down in here. But instead, market just traded into this here, balanced price range, then push higher. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Coulda. Yeah, ito yung issue ko. Ito yung drawn liquidity, mali yung pag-identify ko ng drawn liquidity, which is why I got wrecked in this market. But yeah, it's now pushing higher. Blue 1PA2, damn. Yeah, damn, it's kind of annoying, but it is what it is. Tapos na, bro. Took the longs. Nakita ko SMT. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Nice, nice. Lapit na ma-fill yung gap. Asia. What about the Asia? Where's the Asia right now? We got the Asian high up here. Same thing on the ES. Dow is dumping. We just filled the full gap. Yeah. Might just take this as a loss and get back sa PM. Could have been, yeah. In hindsight, that dito ako nag-short. So for value gap na to with two equal highs, right? Trade this, sell here, take profit below. Kaya here. That was my mistake. Just went higher. Pero also, I think, so, nag-take out tayo ng high, I believe, before tayo nag-drop down. Seconds, 15. Did we not take the high? Parang feeling ko nag-take tayo ng high. Hindi tayo nag-take out ng high. So, I shorted here, I got stopped. Price went down. Naghintay ako ng retracement. Yeah, that was bad. Bonds now, bro. Good night, bro. Good night. Take care. Hope you have a good one. Now we wait. Now we wait. Wala na tayong news, right? Do we still have news for later? I don't think we do. Yeah, wala na tayong news, chat. We don't have any news event. Buy side on ES looking juicy. Na-fill na natin yung buong gap. We just filled the whole gap. Decent volatility, I would say. It's a decent volatility, like 200 points in the span of like 9 minutes. It wasn't a chop as I was expecting. But decent so far, decent volatility. Ano? Thank you. ES 866 target. Okay. 866 target. Ganda na ano, like in hindsight, this level should have been extended. Ito yung naging issue ko eh. If siguro nagkaroon tayo ng Swift before the news earlier came out, mas ipi-favor ko yung longs because we created a double bottom inside the daily candle. It would have been nice if nag-swift tayo, then I would be more favor in longs at the market open. Wala pa tayong shift in market structure sa 1 hour. Para maging bullish ako dito overall, I need to see a structure shift on 1 hour. Which is this one. You can say na this one, but it needs to start creating bullish gap, right? So maybe if the market is gonna trade higher all the way up here, I want to see it create bullish FVG so 1 hour. So for instance, magko-close itong bullish. So far we have a shift in market structure, but we need to create another candle here. Tapos mag-create siya ng gap, right? Tapos mag-trade siya into this gap, get respected, and then trade higher. Then yeah, I'm gonna be very optimistic about being bull and trade into this gap. Pero a shift in market structure without any bullish PD array being respected, I'm not gonna be very bullish yet. So yeah, we need to see number one, paano mag-close yung 1 hour? Is 1 hour gonna close with a shift in market structure? If so, is it gonna start creating bullish PD array na magti-trade yung market higher? Or is this kind of a price action we're in? 1 hour candle happen, trade all the way up. I don't know, but we'll find out. It's gonna be 0.8, which is 200 points away still, so that's not impossible. It's totally doable. Totally doable. Oh. Created an equal high on the ES at the moment. Dropping lower into a 5-minute key level. Invert natin yung 930 FVG. Kinda crazy. We inverted the full 930 for value gap, chat. ES is now dumping pretty hard than NQ. After sinabi ni 𝑿𝙞𝙤𝙘𝙡 na 6866, it dumped 20 points lower. What a coincidence. Ay, thank you, love. Ay, sarap. Thank you. Love you. Kumain ka na?
Mainit yan.
Oh. Parang ano lang, nasa airport ka lang. Baka kahit talo ka, panalo ka sa buhay, chat. Pag talo ka sa trading, make sure na panalo ka sa buhay. Hello, sarap. Merry Grace. Solid, nagda-dump na, chat. It's dumping. Grabe. It's dumping. Shit. Yun ang TP. Take profit sa buhay. Ilang Milo nilagay mo dito?
2, tsaka binoil ko siya sa... Binoil ko ang Milo and milk. Saka na lang. Parang thick.
Solid, grabe. Nag-dump lang siya, chat. It just straight dump. After that pump, it dump. Pump and dump. Asia High was left open on ES. Grabe, oh. Kahit dito ka lang nag-enter sa 930 inverse, that would have been an 89 points already. Solid. Large candles. Bumalik lang tayo sa gap. Like, look at it. It just traded sa gap. This is why I'm saying I'm not bullish yet. Even though nagkaroon tayo ng pump like that. Grabe. This was the best entry, I would say. Ito, inversion. Inverted gap. So, laki ng stop. You need to be fast when it comes to using mini and micro. big candles today, chat. Yung isang candle are like 50 points. Natikman mo na. Tikman mo muna.
Laki naman.
Ang laki.
Dito lang sa akin.
Hindi ko ganyan lang ginagawa nila sa Mary Grace na ano.
Pakwa dapat Pakwa na version na.
Diba? Sarap, diba? The market is in a hurry today. Attempt ko to ng one more time. Di ako nakapag-enter po, ng kulangan, chat. God damn it. Ito oh, pucha, nakulangan ng 1 tick. What the fuck? Nakulangan ng 1 tick? Holy shit. Tangina, bad trip. Fuck. Tangina, bad trip yun ah. Nakulangan ng 1 tick. Dito ako nag-enter sa main threshold ng OB na to. So 50%. Shit. Diba? Ito yung drawn liquidity na tinutukoy ko sa inyo, chat. Like, this was the target. Right? Look at it. It still was revisited. Tangina, that was the quickest trade I could have taken. Shit, man. Tangina. Bad trip. Ayan o. Nilagay ko na. Hindi siya, hindi umabot. Pucha. Inang yan. God damn it. Tangina, hindi umabot ng 1 tick. Holy shit. Tangina. You fucking kidding me, bro? Tangina, bad trip ang puta. Dapat talaga, mabilis ka mo yung... Dito na lang ako nag-enter sa... Naging greedy na naman ako with the entry. Dito lang ako nag-enter, oh. Nung nag-retest itong 30 seconds gap. But ito yung bias ko since market open. This level right here. It's freaking annoying. You know? Tangina, bad trip. Nakakairita. Ayaw pa matanggal. Solid ka mo. 100 points yon with two contracts. That's gonna be a 4K trade. Tanginang yan. Oh, yeah, 100 points to. Ano, 4K yun, boy. 4K USD yun sa 2 contracts per account. Up na sana ako ng tag 3K. Tangina, bad trip. I swear, this is very fucking annoying. Hey Ron, gusto ko sumali sa circle mo, man. You can watch YouTube or you can join my Discord for free, or you can join the Discord with private membership. Doon ako mag-live tomorrow. Naka 100 points ako using IFBG and CISD. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Love to see it. Super annoying. Bad trip, bad trip. Fuck! Nabawi sana yung talo eh. Kapag no knowledge, if you don't have knowledge, I wouldn't even recommend like going into for my private. You can just go watch my YouTube videos first. Yan, panoorin mo yan. Ina, grabe. I had a spot on bias today, chat. Spot on. Ang ganda ng delivery on the downside. It's just, I wasn't able to capitalize to any of it. Very unfortunate. Still going. Holy shit. Oh man. Freaking annoying. Di ako na-fill. What the fuck was that? Why is NQ doing this to me? Grabe. Grabe, chat. Grabe. On to the next. As much as possible, gusto ko magstay sa short side. Oh, siya nakakairita. Hindi na feel. Hindi mo man nilagyan ng sugar to, no?
Yeah.
Mahilo. Konti lang kaya matamis, no? Ano ulam ko? Pagpag, chat. Pagpag. Tira-tirang ulam, chat. And yeah, Mary Grace, chicken. Puro chicken ako. I've been trying to grow my body. Going to the gym, protein, a lot of chicken. Just going to go big. You know? Solid, grabe. So, this could have been a solid trade if I was able to get in. Every day ba nasa chart ka? Yes, every day. Maybe 2 hours a day. The more reps, the better. Especially if you're new, the more screen time, the better. The more screen time, the more time you have on the screen, the more likely you're gonna be successful. SNB gym mo, Lods. Anong SNB? What's that? SNB daw yung gym ko? Hindi dun yung gym ko. Elite ako, Elite. LE88. Okay, 10 o'clock candle. Gonna be interesting. Still very strong sa downside right now. Still very strong sa downside. ES looks like we're heading to 6788. Nag-create tayo ng equal high between Asia and London. Very bearish right now. Very bearish. What does it look like? 8.0350. Okay. Yes. Pwede kong i-attempt tong ES. $350. Yeah, I'm gonna attempt this. Wait. Nasa mali ako. Seven. 14. Last trade ko na to on ES. Targetin ko tong low na to. Last trade ko to, chat. Pag natalo, I'm just gonna call it a day. Naka-short na ako. Di ko makita yung fills and orders. Show all. Naka-short ako. Targetin ko yung 6788 on ES, which is down here. So mga 150k accounts, I'm just gonna let go and not overthink it. Just gonna ride that trend, baby. Ride that freaking trend. ES is showing a bit strength right now compared dito kay NQ, which is unfortunate. We want to see it keep going lower. Obviously, pag na-blow ko tong mga 150k na to, chat, hindi sila para sa akin. Not going to ever take 150k again. Kasi itong mga to, kulang na lang ako ng tag 3k makakakuha ko ng 2,750 per account. 2,750 per account if I get 3k USD. Kaya medyo nagsa-size up na ako. Malapit na yung renewal ng mga account ko dito. Maybe it's a wrong time to size up, like day after holiday. But yeah, we'll see. I've been able to get out of drawdown on these accounts nung Friday, right? Friday, I was in a loss. Tas I ended up being 1k up sa mga account na to. There we go. Don't want to lose on this. See it keep going. Kailangan makitang disrespect itong level na to. Ideally, we want to keep pushing lower now. Suspect, sus to sus. Very sus right now, very sus. Ayaw niyang... doesn't want to drop down. Bagal ng delivery since nag-enter ako. Let's see it keep pushing lower, you know? Keep that momentum lower. I want to see it keep pushing. Oh man, what's taking you so long, bro? Keep going. Just keep going now. Kung let's say, nalagay ko yung stop ko above this FVG, I'd rather go break even at this point. Don't want to risk it. Kinda annoying, but hopefully we get that push. We need to see the momentum going now. Dapat itong candle na to hindi nabalikan. We wanna keep going lower, my friend. 6788 is the drawn liquidity, pero we might chop around more in here. Pwedeng matag yung break even ko, then eventually gonna go in here. It's gonna be unfortunate if that happens pag natag yung break even ko. Problem is, nahirapan na ako mag-adjust ng nahirapan ako mag-hold into a winning position kasi nasa drawdown ako. If I was not in a drawdown, hindi ko i-move yung stop ko, right? Kung wala ako sa drawdown right now, my stop would still be here. Pero dahil nasa drawdown ako, I'm trying to protect myself. Like, I don't want to open more risks. Especially after being up almost like 10 points on this move. I want to see this deliver to the downside already. Keep moving lower. Momentum is still on the downside. Sandol ko, 6788, which is the end dog. New day opening gap from, I think this is from, I'm not sure when is this from, pero we got the new day opening gap on the ES. Ito yung opening gap on the ES. Meron tayong end dog in here. Pucha, wala. Nag-retrace. Pa yan? Kaka-stress? Stress. I don't like this stress. Especially with size. Oh no, it's gonna go down. Someone said it's gonna go down. I'm about to get stopped. Kanina may nagsabi, 6, 7, somewhere in here, someone said 6866 habang nandito yung market. Kanina, someone said 6866 and all of a sudden, the market dumped 60 points. Patient, okay. Give me a stop though. Give me a stop. 6796. If you're gonna give me guys a level, give me an invalidation as well so I know, you know, hanggang saan ba yung pupuntahan, not just where the market is heading. Sabay Drake candle pababa. I'm gonna put this here. Don't wanna lose really. I'm up a lot already, so keep it going, my friend. I don't want to see you stall in here. Ayoko siyang mag-stall in here. Right? Ayoko siyang mag-stall in here because I'm a bullish FVG. I want to see it keep moving. So I'm going to move my stop above this level. Really, I don't want to lose in this trade. Keep it going, my friend. Keep it going. I'm almost back to break even. I'm almost back to break even, so keep it going, my friend. Keep it going. I don't want to see you retrace or any to that extent, my bro. My bro, keep it going. Keep it going. No retracement, please. Don't want to lose in this trade, chat. Don't want to lose anymore. Just blew one account already, but don't want to lose. There you go. I'm gonna go get stop at break even. You profit. Oh, that is unfortunate, my friend. It's very volatile right now. I still like the drawn liquidity, which is here at this level. Right? I think the market is gonna trade in here. Dito sa level na to. I'm not sure when is this end dog, but yeah, this is from February 5. This is actually an NWOG, I think. February 5, it should not. Yeah, this is, I think this is gonna be a, okay. Yeah, this is an end dog. I think market is gonna trade in here. February 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, last 5. Damn, I got stop and then it moves in my favor. I got stop and move in my favor. That's unfortunate, bro. That's fucking unfortunate. I got trailed too early. Market is very reluctant right now. It's actually clean. Problema is I was trailing too tight. I'm trailing aggressively kasi nga drawdown na ako on the day. As far as the NQ goes, would be in here. Still dumpy right now on NQ. It's forming new seller territory now. You know. Ano yung Milo? Hindi ko. You traded micros. Nah, I'm good, bro. I mean, my risk is really about, on this account, it's like 1.5 now. I can trade it micros, but I wanna go big. Can't go big with micros. Could have... That's unfortunate. Ang pangit ng trail ko doon. Damn, man. That trail sucks. Pangit ng trail ko doon. Could have added in here, honestly. Short here, add here, stop loss above here. It's very grindy to the downside at the moment. Oh, scary, but scary. Oh, we're pushing now. I guess my SL is good. I guess my stop loss is good, chat. It's pushing again. It's pushing again. I guess my stop loss is actually good. Did not fail me, huh? I guess my SL is good after all. The market just pumped like 7 points. Very, very volatile. Honestly, this is not what I was expecting today. Very big candles. Big candles today, chat. Big candles. You need golf balls, man. The whole trade. I'd love to see that. Oh, man. How can I hold trade if I have a trailing drawdown? Right? Not... I just show you guys the Apex account. You guys don't know what's going on behind the scene, right? Something like this, is this good enough, right? I have a trailing drawdown account, so how can I hold into a trade if I have a trailing drawdown? I do trade big, right? See, I do trade. This was a trade I took last week with the top tick, and I took profit early. This is something that I don't show you guys. Not everything you see on stream is like how I trade, right? It's not like I am a one-trick pony type of trader. I do hold on trades. I do hold on trades. I just don't... I don't know, Jack. It's funny. You don't need all that many. Yeah, maybe you're right, but my bank account is fine. It's saying I'm good with what I'm doing. My bank account is good, chat. My bank account is saying, hey Aaron, you should do what you keep doing. You said earlier, seller's territory, and look what the market did. It pumped 100 points to the upside. So, I don't know. Hindi ka pa napa-flag, Lods? No. Saan? Napa-flag saan? Here's the thing, right? Here's the thing, chat. Okay. Let me guys give you a thing about position sizing. Let's say you shorted here. Let's say you shorted here. Just assuming na you were in a 1 micro, right? Or, yeah, I don't know. Maybe you are in a 2 micros. Right? Take profit mo is here. Let's say assuming na pumunta dito yung market, right? It did go. The difference is that if I just took a 10-point trade, but I was sized up because I think this is a good level, I was in the market for a short period of time and I made profit quick. In a short period of time, while you were here wondering if this is gonna chop forever, let's say it took you 30 minutes before the market dropped down in here. That means you spend 30 minutes more of your mental capital. What you see is a capital on PNL, but you don't see the mental capital. Each day you have mental capital. The longer you hold into a trade, the more likely you're gonna spend more mental capital in a specific trade, right? If I just took trade quickly, I was in, I was out. That didn't took me so much of a mental capital because I was not, I was not overthinking it if it is gonna go up and down. But yeah, I mean, I get where you're coming from. Like, you want me to trade micros, but yeah, I mean, you should trade micros when you can't afford the drawdown. But before I was here today, I told myself I'm gonna risk 800.15 per trade. So that trade to me is like $700 risk, right? On ES, I was in a $700 risk, 2 contracts. So this was my stop, and I wanted to see here, and I saw the market trading lower, should not go back up, but it did. So what can I do? Wants to trade higher first. Two, 4, 6, 3, 5. Where would I put my stop? You said sell here when it was here, 2535, right? You said I should sell here when the market is already trading below, down here. Where would you put your stop? You must tell us ahead of time. Hey, you should sell here, not when the market is already going in your favor. You said here as well earlier, market is forming sell territory and market moves back up like 123 points. So did you have an amazing stop like up to this level where you did not get stopped in here? I don't know. Mas okay ba mag high leverage pag challenge prop firm? If you don't want to take too much time in a challenge environment, then yeah, you must trade it. You must trade aggressively on eval kapag ayaw mo mag-take ng so much time. Bro, I sell at the top. Yeah. You also said you were selling here. The market is forming selling territory, so I don't know. Maybe you sold here at this level. You sold at the top. Retailer's always late. Yeah. We're all retail though. Anyone who trades individually is a retail. Bro, look at your higher time frame. How about this, Landon? Send me an email of how much you made last year, right? I'm gonna send everyone to your Discord. Just tell me how much you made in prop firm payout last year. Send me an email. Show me all your cert. How much you made. If you're trading personal account, show us a broker statement. I'm gonna ask the chat. Go to Landon and watch him trade. Nasell mo yung top on ano ano ba yan? Si Ice Too Big. Wala man Ice Too Big. Tanginang yan. O nga no, ang aga nga ng ano sell mo. 60 lang tayo dito, naglolokohan pa tayo. Who cares? I don't need validation. Yeah. Hey, I sold the top, but you know, who cares? I don't need your validation. I sold the top. Then, yeah. You said be patient here. Market selling territory, right? Market is forming selling territory now. 4 hour just open. Market moves 136 points. Then you said sell 235 when the market is already here. Sell another sell here. I don't know. Oh, chat. Oh, I don't know. Si Rendon yan. Sino Rendon? Sino si Rendon? Oh shit, yung ano ko, USDC, tsaka hindi. Less than 2 years pa. I believe, sabi niya dati, meron siyang TPT live account daw, sabi niya. He said he's trading with TPT live account. So, I mean, it's watching me. I'm not watching him. But yeah, I'd love to see you trade live, you know. Show us in real time how you trade. So we can learn from you, Landon. I'd like to learn from you if you show us the proof. Kristen Flores, what's good? Chill lang po sa round. Baka pwede pasagot ng tanong ko. Ano yan? Sorry. It's just that it's funny, chat. Like when you're losing, like people always have something to tell you, you know. But when you're winning, I don't know. Ano ba yung tanong mo, Hisoka? What's your question, Hisoka? What's your question? Sir, kailangan ba ng FVG para maging valid ang CISD or at least mag-close lang ang next candle sa opening price? You don't need FVG. It would be nice if you get an FVG after the CISD, but you don't need it. Ito din yung gusto ko na draw. Just don't know how to engage right now. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Thanks po ulit, sir, dahil sa YouTube mo. Laking tulong sa trade ko. Wait na lang ma-approve yung payout. Let's go, Rich Dang Trades. Let's go. Hisoka, you don't need a fair value gap. Just think about it this way. The more confluence on your side, the more likely you're gonna win on a trade. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, chat. Trading is already hard enough, and once you do it live and trading with size, it's gonna be a lot harder. And when you have people telling you how to trade, it's just, yeah, it's crazy. It's so easy to say in the chat, hey, this is what you should do. But you can do another behind the scene. And what's funny is when people tell, like, saan yung target, they would not tell you where the entry is, where the stop loss is. Do 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 do. And done pala. I don't mean any, like, you know, I don't mean any bullshit, but yeah, it would be nice if you are teaching me how to trade. Tell me how much you made. So I know I can't listen to people who did not made more money with me in trading, right? Can't listen to people who's not doing better than me. Can't do that. If you're gonna be my mentor, I'd like you to be a better person than I am. Sayang entry ko na SL sa top ng 15 minutes at BG test bumaba. Yeah, it happens. It happens, Kent. It happens. Sometimes having a tight stop play, sometimes having a wide stop plays. Anong MYOB, lol? MYOB meaning mind your own business. Nawala tuloy. Yeah, trust me, bro. Trust me. Oh, damn. Yung target ko kanina is gonna be hit, chat. In hindsight, should have shorted here. Or kaya naman dito sa IFVG after 15-minute tap, right? We tap into a 15-minute level, rejected. Could have shorted once we close up here. So one mini is gonna be 750 risk. To 750. Tas or kaya naman should have entered here, stop above this level. Coulda, woulda, should have. Pero the market is moving. Like, it's moving a lot. I think it's gonna give plenty of opportunity throughout the day. Especially at PM session. Nice. Nice top sa midnight open and then inverted again. Solid. Grabe. What if we trade all the way down to 24153 today? It's totally doable to trade dito sa double bottom like 24153. Maganda rin yung PO3 niya sa 4 hour. Why you guys hate me so much? We don't hate you. It's just you're teaching me how to trade. If you are gonna teach me how to trade, just tell me like how much have you made so far, like trading. Just you know, send me an email. Hey, this is the proof. I made this much. I'm telling because you're teaching us, right? You're teaching us I should sell here, right? You told me I should sell here. No, it's okay. Apology accepted. It's just I'm not here to be taught, right? I'm not here because I want you guys to teach me. I'm here because I want you guys to be entertained. Like trading is boring. Like I try to as much as possible. I try to make it entertaining, and you know it's boring to trade alone. And I kept quit. No, I kept quiet. It's pretty sure, bro. Hit niya 6796 pero mabilis siya. Yeah, sometimes the thing is we have key levels, right? Meron tayong key level as a target. But the market may not give you an entry. Maybe you have an overall direction. Maybe you are a good analyst. But good analyst does not mean a good trader. Hindi porket may maganda kang analysis, it doesn't mean you will earn from it. Right? Vice versa. If it doesn't mean na pangit yung analysis mo, you won't earn from it. At the end of the day, what matters is execution. How did you manage your risk? How did you manage the trade while you are in a position? Sir, parehas lang galaw ni BTC and gold, tama? No, they're not. They're completely different market and they do not have the same move. Silver right now is down 6%. Freaking crazy. GC is down 3%. Bitcoin is down 2%. Di pa natin na-hit, grabe. Itong N-Dog on the ES. Overall, it's still a good to the downside. Sandol ko sa NQ, Sir Mark. Overall, gusto ko tong ano na to. Itong November 20 low, which is 24153, like pre-market. But honestly, mas prefer ko sana if we trade dito sa daily for value gap before we drop down. But the market right now in 1 hour and 4 hour is forming structured lower, right? So it's better to keep shorting it until the structure changes to the upside, even though hindi pa na-hit to. We could still hit this, pero yung 1 hour kasi hindi pa siya nag-flip. I've been saying, like, kanina na nag-push tayo higher, I was not bullish while the market is trading higher. Hindi ako bullish because I need to see the 1 hour first to confirm the trend na mag-trade tayo higher. But what it did, we pushed to the upside, created equal high, and then dropped down. So to me, the way I see this, nag-create tayo ng equal high between Asia and New York session high. Nakikita ko to as engineered liquidity, meaning this is a liquidity pool for later in the day, later in the week, right? After makuha yung objective sa downside, yan, tas we started to form smart reversal here, and then this will be the target. Kasi meron tayong equal high here. So the way I see this is engineered liquidity for a target next time. Got 15-minute gap, bearish gap. So every time frame is pointing down. We're gonna go lower. It's just a matter of how are you gonna position in here? How are you going to manage your size, your stop, right? Kasi even if you have a good directional bias, you have a good analysis, it doesn't mean a shit if you executed poorly. I was right about being NQ target here, but I was wrong about the execution. I was too early. Ito yung gusto kong draw. Like pre-market, 8:30, sinasabi ko na sa chat, hey, I think this is gonna be the target. And I was shorting too early. I shorted twice in here. Unang stop ko was here. I got stopped. Then re-entered. I got stopped again. Right? The market trade higher. Nag-trade tayo sa NWOG. Right? Nag-trade tayo here. We flipped this 930 FVG. That I could have entered short, but I was not in a position to short after taking 2 losses back to back. Imagine, kakatalo ko lang dalawa. Tapos 13 minutes later, I'm gonna enter short again. So to me, wala akong mental capital to execute that trade. Kasi nga, kakatalo ko lang ng 2 beses. I need at least a breathing zone. I need a breathing time na when my head is clear. But in hindsight, this was a good setup. Itong 930 FVG na to could have been a short, stop above here or kaya here, and then target this low, right? Then I tried entering here. Nag-try ako dito. 30 seconds FVG. My stop was above this level. Actually, let me... Yeah, my stop is about here, above this level. I did not get filled and market dump 100 points within 1 minute. And I did not get filled, unfortunately. That could have been my trade for the day. That was, in hindsight then, this one, overall bearish, we rejected here. This another short opportunity, inversion gap after 15-minute tap. Malapad lang yung stop loss na kailangan mo. You need to size down, right? Dito, mas magandang ES, I would say. After we inverted this was the trade. Then you until now, you're probably gonna be holding into this trade. So, lots of opportunity today, even though I expected it to be overall chop. Does this platform handle seconds time frame? Yeah, you can. Tradevate allows you to have seconds time frame. If you want to have seconds time frame in TradingView, you must have premium. Right now, they have 80% off because Chinese New Year. Grabe din yung chat, like dollar. I did not expect dollar to move this much. I did not expect dollar to move this much on a Tuesday. Lalo na tong GBP. I'm bullish on GBP. Like weekly pre-market na sinend ko sa community is as long as we form a swing low here, nag-expect ako ng push on GBP USD. But it dumped pretty hard. Solid yung trend nito. Grabe. Itong YM, it looks like it's heading into this equal lows. Ito yung target ko on YM for this week. Bro, how do you spot a valid pullback? A valid pullback is, for me, let's say this is the range, right? Bakit ito yung range? Kasi we took out a buy side. Ito yung dealing range mo. We took out a buy side and we took out a sell side. So this is a new created range. So if the market is gonna pull back, it must trade to premium area. So ano hahanapin mo dito sa premium area? We got fair value gap. So this trade itself can be a trade, right? Pwedeng base it to. You can trade 10 points trade in here. When the market trade here, pwede ka mag-sell for 10 points. That's one way you spot a pullback. Is it at a area na nasa premium and discount, right? Right now the trend is lower. So you want to be selling at a premium level. And ito yung range na pinili ko, right? From here to here. Bakit yon? Kasi nga nag-take tayo ng buy side, nag-take tayo ng sell side. So between this high, new created dealing range, ito ang premium, ito ang discount. Meron tayong fair value gap. So this is a valid level for a pullback. Kapag i-measure mo yan, this is also an OTE. Right? OTE is Fibonacci level. Yan, 0.6, 0.7. Those are level for a pullback. So Fibonacci tool. Yep, you're welcome. Not a financial advice though. Freeze and cam? Oh yeah, shit. 1 second, chat. Don't know what happened. Lods, did ba mag-aral ng mentorship ng 2023? It's up to you, really. Think about it this way. Studying ICT concept is actually fun if you enjoy it. Right? It's up to you. Kasi ako, honestly, pinanood ko yung 2022, then 2023 and 2023. That's all I'm using. And then, nag-stop na ako manood ng ICT, seriously. Ginagamit ko na lang siya as a background. Usually, bago ako matulog, kunyari, di ako makatulog, magpe-play ako ng ICT video, papanoorin ko lang na ganyan. But it doesn't mean na gagamitin ko yung tinuturo niya. I just enjoyed watching it. I don't know, maybe I'm weird, pero yung boses niya, parang lalabay siya sa akin. Bonus din yung minsan pag nagrarant siya. Pag he's screaming hard. Bonus na lang sa akin yung chat. I think this is gonna provide a 10 points. Right? This is gonna provide a 10 points opportunity. I think. But we'll see. Oh, pangit yung closure. I don't like that closure. I won't short this. It closed above, right? Nag-close siya sa taas, which I don't want to see if I'm bearish. I want to see get bearish PD array to be respected. Pero hindi nag-close siya above, so I'm not going to take that. Ihi lang din ako. Alright, alright. Pangkult kasi boses niya. Pangkulto, yeah. Pangkulto nga. The thing is about Michael, his concept work. Like, you can see, like, the people who made millions with Profirm are ICT trader. ICT concept ang ginagamit nila. But the issue with Michael is he himself cannot prove himself, right? But I think, this is what I think. Alright, this is what I think. I think he can trade if he just keep it to himself. Imagine 30 years kang nagtitrade. Ako nga 5 years nakuha kong maging profitable, tapos siya pa na 30 years, hindi ka magiging profitable. I think ang issue niya is yung ego when he tries to go publicly, right? But yeah, he's a good educator for sure. Plus, chat, he made shit tons of money in 2016. In 2016, thousands yung student niya nagbabayad ng $150 per month. Just do the math. 1,000, just do the math, chat. Yung core content na ano niya before, he made so much money back then, like with courses, core content, ICT, month-to-one. So yan, itong ano niya, private mentorship ng to, whole year na course ito. Tas every month, basta sobrang dami na to, as in core content. 1 year. And sinabi rin naman niya sa ano yun sa Twitter space, I made so much more money than trading. Which makes sense. Just do the math. 1,000, let's say 1,000 times 150. 1,000 times 150, magkano to? Yeah, I think it's, hindi lang 1,000 student niya. Right? 1,000 times 150 is, how much is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ilan to? Yeah, hindi lang 1,000. I think he has thousands of students. Say, 150, 150, I believe 33K. 33K yung nasa Telegram niya back then. Pucha, imagine mo may 5 million ka per month. The fuck, man? Tas demo trade lang ginagawa mo? That's insane. Risk free ka? Si Dodgy, tignan mo si Dodgy. Kilala niyo si Dodgy? Dodgy Trades? He's just paper trading. Dodgy Trades. Ito, this guy. Nagpe-paper trade lang to and he has 2,000 student ata, $50 per month. Paper trade lang and he's making 100K USD per month sa Discord alone. Never mo siyang makikita magpo-post ng payout. You know? But tas puro paper trade lang siya pag nagte-trade. And he's making money with Discord. So if you wanna help me get rich, chat, $20 a month. $20 a month, chat. If you want me to get rich, $20 a month. Sign up with my Discord. I'm gonna post courses in here soon. Inaano ko pa, fina-finalize ko pa. Post courses. I-upload ko rin to sa YouTube, most probably. Itong course na ginagawa ko. But iuna ko siya sa members. It has 100 slides so far. Tinatapos ko pa siya. Too many. And the thing is, like, yung mga nagsusubscribe sa akin on YouTube, right? You guys are watching me. The problem is, pinapanood nyo ako sa YouTube, but you don't know what I'm talking about. So, ito yung purpose ng ginagawa ko. Like, it's here para maintindihan nyo yung pinagsasabi ko sa live and not just guess what I'm saying. So, yeah. Tinatapos ko na lang siya. Hopefully, I can finish this soon. May slot pa? Yeah, it has slots still. 11 pa lang yung nag-sign up. 11 people sign up for my Discord. 20 USD per month, chat. 20 USD. 9.99. 19.99. Pero di nyo kailangan. Sa lang, di nyo kailangan. Just watch my old, especially if you're someone who got a payout already, you know, di nyo kailangan mag-sub sa Discord ko. If you're someone who got a payout, you know, you can do it. You don't need me. Di nyo kailangan siya. You don't need my guidance if you get your payout already. This is just for people who are really asking for it. Believe it or not, there's a lot. Nasa macro time tayo. I'm looking for possible entry very soon. See if I can get it. Mahirap mga course seller rather side with people who trades live. Yeah, mahirap. Yeah, it's hard kasi they fake it till they make it, right? I was never in that position. I will always be a trader first before a course seller. Niisip ko nga, like, is what I'm doing even worth it? Like, sa Discord? Feeling ko mas stress lang ako pag, you know, I don't know. I don't know if it is worth it sa yung ginagawa ko. Maybe right now I can't say financially worth it kasi I don't have many community member na nagsasign up, but siguro when it comes sa pag umabot ng 1,000, imagine 1,000 people paying me 1,000 pesos a month. 1,000 times 1,000. 1,000 times 1,000. 1 million a man on Discord. Yeah, that's gonna be ballsy. Imagine meron akong 1,000 people na nagbabayad ng 20 USD. 20 USD times 1,000. Ay, what the fuck? Ba't ganun? Bakit Yahoo kasi yung ano, default engine? 20 USD. Oh, imagine, if I have 1,000 community member sa Discord watching me live. Pero that's impossible. Yung YouTube ko nga, di umabot ng 60. Libre lang eh. So, imagine 1 million a month. I'll get retired by the age of 35 or 30. Yun yung pinost mo sa Facebook, di ba? Taglish ba, sir? Yeah, more likely Taglish. The thing is, kahit gusto kong Tagalogin, ang hirap Tagalogin ng trading. Sasabihin ko, halimbawa, ano, sample. Okay. Tuturo ko yung order block. Ano sa Tagalog ang order block? Nakikita nyo ba to? Ito ay gintong bato. Ito ay bato. Ito ay hindi bato eh. Order block. Anong Tagalog ng order? Pagbili, block. Kumpol. Okay. Ito, chat, isa itong pagbiling kumpol na candle. Pagbiling kumpol na candle, maraming nagbebenta dito. Kapag nakita mo na itong gun box na to, yan. Itong gun box na to ay ano sa Tagalog yan? Ang gun box na to ay nagre-representa ng kamahalan at kamurahan. Kapag nandito ang presyo ng market, ito ay mahal. Kapag nasa baba ang market, ito ay mura. Dapat dito ka magbenta sa loob ng pagbiling bloke. Bloke na lang, bloke. Pagbentang bloke. Ang tawag dito is pagbentang bloke kasi pababa ang trend. Trend in Tagalog. Uso, pagbaba. Ito ang uso ngayon. Trend, okay? Uso. Okay, ang structure natin ngayon, ang uso natin ngayon ay pataas, pababa, pataas, pababa. So, ito yung uso ngayon sa market. So, dapat magbenta lang tayo. Kamahalan at kamurahan. Di ba? Ang hirap. Hirap Tagalog. Paano may tatagalog yung mga terms? So hard, chat. So hard. Sanay na ako sa Taglish when I'm teaching. It's just unfortunate kasi meron talagang mga taong, you know, they're having difficulty with language, may clear language barrier, but I don't know. It's hard. Tagalog, kahit gusto ko magturo ng Tagalog, mahirap. Minsan, pag nagsalita ako, tuloy-tuloy na. Kwento nga ng girlfriend ko, gagi. Nung kumukuha ng lisensya yung girlfriend ko. By the way, yung girlfriend ko kumuha ng lisensya, walang fixer chat. Na one click niya yung proud of her. Yun, kumuha siya ng lisensya, tas merong isa matanda. Gagi, kumuha ng lisensya, hindi siya literate sa Tagalog and English. Pinauwi. Kawawa, gagi. Kumuha ng lisensya, tas di siya marunong magbasa. Pinauwi na lang, hindi binigyan. Hindi, student lang kinukuha niya, ha? Not even yung non-pro. Alam mo, yung feeling ko yung matandang yan, yung tipong kailangan nilang lisensya kasi nag-a-apply ng trabaho, kailangan nila ng valid ID. So, pinauwi kasi di marunong magbasa, which is unfortunate. Usong merkado, bearish market. Feeling ko gagawa na talaga ako ng second channel for trade breakdown. Follow nyo tong second channel ko. Mag-upload ako dito daily recap. Sisipagin ko na, I swear. Iron Futures Trader. Dito ka upload yung mga nangyari during the live stream. Dito sa second channel. It's more of a... Mas mahirap yung English license. Yeah, mahirap nga yung English license. Pero chat, I'm so proud. Like, confident na ako mag-drive. I've been very happy with driving. Sarap pag mabilis. Naka-sports mode. Ooh! Kanina nag-drive ako. I had a funny encounter earlier. Kasi lumabas ako. Chinese New Year, wala akong work today. So, day off ko today. Tapos umalis ako, nag-me time ako. And then, palabas ako ng kanto ng parking. Galing ako Marky Mall. Tapos may SUV. Yung mga SUV kasi, yan sa daan mga hari yan sa daan Kaso, hindi ko siya binigyan ng daan. Nauna ako. And then, nung nauna ako, binilisan ko pa. Then, nagulat ako, hinahabol niya ako sa likod. So, syempre, hinambol ko na yung sarili ko. Nag-right ako. Nasa roundabout na kami. Tapos nag-right ako, nagbagal din siya. Tapos, siningitan niya ako, bali eto ako. Tapos, siningitan niya akong ganyan. Gumanyan siya. Tapos, tinignan niya ako mga 2 seconds. Ako, tinitingnan ko rin siya. Tapos, umalis na siya. Tapos, sabi ko, ito na yata yung first road rage experience ko. Tapos pag uwi ko, may nag-chat sa Instagram. Idol, ikaw ba yung nakaputing kotse kanina? Saan mo ako nakita? Ako yung naka-SUV kanina, sabi niya. Pucha, nanonood pala ng stream. So sabi ko, akala ko galit ka, sabi ko. Kasi bigla akong binilisan. Hindi, goods lang, sabi niya. Nagulat ako. Pangalong experience ko na to. Like 3 consecutive weeks, may subscriber or Facebook na last time pinicturean kami ng girlfriend ko. Ikaw to, sabi niya, ang bilis ng pangyayari, di ako nakapagpa-picture. Tapos yung pangalawa, nag-landers kami. Nag-chat na naman. Ikaw yun sa landers. Oo, gagi. Legit to. Hindi ako, no cap chat. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Akala ko talaga, napaano nga ako eh, kasi aminado akong kasalanan ko yon. Kasi ako mag-isa. Tapos instead na bigyan, kasi palabas akong kanto, siya nasa main road siya eh. So dapat ako yung magbibigay. Kaso gusto ko nang kasi ang init. Sobrang init lately. Tapos yun, pag ko, hinahabol niya talaga ako, nakikita ko sa side mirror. Tapos, syempre, ako naman, instead na as much as possible, kinakalma ko na yung sarili ko, ayoko ng road rage kasi nakakaano yung road rage siya. Hindi magandang experience yung road rage. Tinignan talaga ako sa mata. So yun, pag nagulat ako, pag uwi ko, nag-chat. Idol, ikaw ba yan? Tapos, paano ako nakilala? Nagtitrade ka? Sabi ko. Oo, sabi niya. Pero bago pa lang ako, sabi niya. Tsaka nakikita kita sa Holly dati, sabi niya. Ka-school ko ata. Dapat pinrank nyo si Sir Ross, pinapull over nyo. Huwag ipilit ang karapatan. Tama. Huwag ipilit ang karapatan. Solid. Yun nga din yung ko eh. Ang ganda ng team, ang ganda ng na yan. Ang ganda ng salitang yun. Huwag mong ipilit ang karapatan sa daan. Kasi kahit na ikaw yung tama sa lane, kung buhay yung kapalit mo. Tsaka madali pa naman mag-trending yung mga nag-viral na road rage, no? Yung iba, yung naglalabas ng barel. Yung iba, sasabihin nila, may kamag-anak na pulis. Kapampangan niya, yes. Kapampangan ako, yes. Singit na hindi napunan. BG. Idol, pag napansin mo yung convert, pwede mong hindi i-convert sa agad? Yeah, pwede naman. Ang issue is, kailangan mong bayaran yung monthly fee. Okay, kailangan mong bayaran yung monthly fee para maging active yung account. So, to give you an example, 20 yung account ko right now. So, meron akong 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 na account na reserve. Pag na-blow ko yung account, I can just activate. Pero kapag na-rebill ako dito, $98, which is expensive. So, kaya nga nagtitrade ako aggressively on my accounts. Kasi it's either I'm gonna make payout with them or I'm gonna blow them at mag-activate ako ng new account. That's why I'm trading aggressively right now on some of my accounts. Pag trader na kasabay mo sa daan, kasi nonchalant lang. Alright, what do we have here, chat? What do we have? It looks like, from what it looks like, mukhang magte-trade na tayo back into equal highs, which is yung level na hindi natin pinuntahan kanina. Buy side level. Started to push higher. TY, you're welcome. You're welcome. Pero mas maganda i-activate mo within 48 hours para sure. By the way, guys, may ongoing giveaway ako. Just make sure you are subscribed to my email campaign. Next week, Saturday, ako mamimili ng winner. Mag-subscribe lang kayo dito. Nagpe-payout ba Apex? Kasi wala pa sa plain withdrawal ko. AMTX, meron ka bang... approve na ba yung payout mo? That's number 1. Approve yung payout mo? If so, check mo yung spam mo and other... Yeah, check mo yung spam, junk. Check mo yun mga yan. Baka nandun yung plain invitation mo. Road rage will just compromise both of you and surrounding. Lalo na sa LTO revoke agad. Yeah, true. License is a privilege, not a right. Kapag nga nagmumotor ako, sobrang ingat ko eh. Hindi na kasi ako nag-helmet kapag pupunta lang ako ng gym. So, dahil malapit lang, nag-iingat ako kasi pag nawalan na ako ng lisensya, pucha, bad trip yun. It's gonna be fuck. Possible ba ibalik? Yeah, it's possible. It's just volatile right now. Pwedeng ibalik. Kasi nag-iba ang margin requirement ng mga broker guys kapag ganyan. So, I think what is Apex is waiting is yung margin requirement sa broker. Pwede nilang ibalik ang gold. Pero yung contract is just 2 micros, 3 micros. Ganon dahil volatile yung market. AMPX, ayusin mo yung payout method mo with tawag dito, with Apex. Tapos you should receive a plain invitation. Kapag wala pa yan, tapos 2 weeks na since talaga last na approve ka, reach out to their support and ask about it. Pretty sure may something wrong with your payout method. It shouldn't take 2 weeks. Ah, damn, it's just going higher, huh? This is kind of crazy, chat. Very, very volatile action, big range. Lots of opportunity on both buy side and sell side. That's crazy. What a run higher. Meron na bossing. Plane ata may problema. 2 weeks ko nakausap ang CS ng plane. Ah, if nasend na yung payout mo sa plane, then it's on plane. Hindi siya sa Apex. Kasi once na ang Apex sinend yung pera mo through plane, wala na silang control. Ang problem niyan, na-experience ko na yan one time. Meron maling information sa Wise. So, ang nangyari, yung pera floating lang siya somewhere. It's not on anywhere. Tapos magbabounce back yung binayad ng plane to that bank account sa'yo. Magbabounce back yun sa'yo. And kapag nag-bounce back yun, usually 1 month minimum. Nangyari na sa akin yan. Yung payout ko, 1 month is just floating around. And then kapag nung nakuha na ng plane, nag-iba akong payment method. Na-approve na sa akin, Lods, pero di pa nila nasisend. Yeah, wait ka lang. After approval, usually it's within 24 to 48 hours. Pero sa FAQ nakalagay, it's gonna be 7 up to 4 to 7 days, I believe. Pero usually 1 to 2 days sinesend nila. Paano pag na-broke mo yung rule, pero sa PA mo may chance pa maka-payout? Yes, meron pa. Meron pa. You just have to keep trading the account normally. And make sure na wag mo nang i-break yung rule ulit. Grabe, it's just going higher. This is freaking amazing and crazy at the same time. Oh my god, bro. That's crazy. Oh man. Grabe. Nag-V-shape, no? Nag-V-shape lang yung market. Keep going higher. So, makakita ng minimum, at least, at most, minimum, is a retracement sa 5 minute. Without any retracement on 5, it's hard to enter here unless magte-trade ka ng very lower time frame, right? Maybe at 30 seconds. Maybe here, maglong ka dito sa 30 seconds. You trust the ongoing trend sa upside na sa tingin mo walang pullback to, then yeah, you can. Pero at the bare minimum, so makita ng pullback sa 5 minute. Asia siguro target. Yeah. Ito yung tinutukoy ko, right? We formed this high earlier. Nung nag-dump tayo, we formed this high. The way I see this is engineered liquidity. I don't see this as a double bottom. Although, if nag-short ka dito, you'll get paid a lot. Right? So, yeah, it's just, when you see market is creating these levels, it's just being generated. Isipin nyo to as engineered liquidity. Because we got a lot of stop above here. Same thing with ES. Malapit na sa ES actually. Jean Carl, seriously, ilang taon ka na? ikaw yung lagi mo kong tinatawag na kuya. I think 13 years, sabi mo last time 13 years old ka. Seriously, ilang taon ka na? How old are you now? How old are you now? Hirap ako ngayong February after 2 payouts, stuck na ako sa 52, di na umusad. Well, if you did not blow the account, just keep doing. The thing is, you're not gonna be profitable every month, right? You're not gonna be profitable every month. But the beauty is that with prop firms, 1 to 2 payouts is enough, especially in the Philippines. Imagine if you're earning like 2K USD per month consistently. You're earning 100K per month. What else could you ask for? If you can get out every weekend, I mean, yung 100K is more than enough for yourself. If you're family, you have a family, that's a different story. But you know, if you have payout, you're doing better. Trust me, like there's many people who does not get a payout and spend so much on evals. Is 25K USD okay to go full-time trading? It's you who can answer that, right? Are you even profitable trading small account for 6 to 1 year? Ano yung monthly expense mo? Right? What's your monthly expense? What's your target that you could live, right? How many months can you stay unprofitable for you stay long enough na makasurvive on a day-to-day basis? I have 50K live account. I don't have a full-time job. I don't trade my live account now. I was in a drawdown this January with 2K drawdown. I stopped trading it. Kuya Ron, may babalita ako yung order flow po. Kahit may big orders, hindi naman po nasusunod. Parang yung algorithm pa rin na nasusunod. I think ikaw yung sa Discord, yung kausap ni Paeng, yung nagtatanong ng order flow. The thing is, you're not gonna be 100% sure all the time, right? You're not gonna be 100% sure. What if merong tao na gusto lang maglagay ng limit order dito, 100 contracts. Pinakita ni Rips yun. Naglagay siya ng 100 contracts here. Pwede mong gawin yun. Right? If you're a market maker, if you are someone who has a lot of access sa capital, pwede kang maglagay ng 15 contracts here. So order book, makikita mo kasi yun eh. Kung ilan yung order sa isang level, lagay mo, tapos pag umabot dito, tanggalin mo. Right? These orders are not like tipong hard truth na dyan lang sila because they can always remove it. And I don't know. I don't know. Like, don't listen to me, I guess. Hindi ako nagtitrade ng order flow, so I don't know what I'm talking about. But what I can say is there's no 100% trading strategy. Tingnan mo si Patrick Whelan. Tinitrade lang niya VWAP, EMA, bull flag, bear flag. He's not even trading order flow. Spoofing, yeah, spoofing. Yeah, Rips talk about it. But yeah, I don't know. I just mind my own business. The thing is, I find what works for me, that pays me. I don't need to 7 times 5. Ayang. He follows you? This Rips follows you all the time? ICT is king. I don't know. Jesus is king, not ICT. Jesus is king, my friend. Mind your own business to mind your own strategy. Yeah, I don't know.
Connection lost.
So try ko mag-long here 5 contracts for a basic trade. Not looking good, but I'm gonna hold into this. Nice one. Boom. I'm back to green, boys. I'm back to fucking green. Although naka-blow ako ng isang account, but that's fine. There you go. Could have, you know, traded it instead. I could have traded it instead of taking that 12 points. I think it's a 12 points trade, 63 to 76, so 13 points, 5 contracts. Should have, you know, coulda, woulda, should have. 5 contracts on that trade. I think my risk is like 1-3, 1-2 on that. So just 1:1, just base it. So this is what I'm saying, right? I could have traded earlier. Like, let's talk about position sizing. I could have traded way lower, right? Lagay ko yung stop loss ko ng mas malayo. Target ko is this high. It might take me a while to get there, so it's gonna spend a lot of my mental capital. And right now, I don't have the mental capital to hold the trade after a price swing from red to green, you know. So yeah, it's just this trade. I like it because we got this one minute for value gap, and look at this level. What's this level? 0.5 or 0.75 ng standard deviation or regular trading hour gap. So ginamit ko lang yung level na yon, and I was anticipating what? Breakaway gap on this level, on this 5 minute. So we respected it. We took this sell side. So nag-buy lang ako on this order block, right? Nag-anticipate ako na maging breakaway gap to, and I just need that. I entered here inside the for value gap. My OB may 0.75 level and took a long and just took that 12 points and get out. And I think the market is gonna trade here, right? I think, chat, market magte-trade siya all the way up here. But the thing is, I don't need that much to make so much, right? 5 million. I'm trading aggressively again. I'm trading aggressively on this account kasi nga may rebill ako na malapit ng mabill. And I need to trade aggressively para kapag mablow ko sila, makakapag-activate ako ng new account. If hindi ko sila mablow, then makakakuha ako ng payout. Simple as that, right? Kailangan ko lang ng tag 10k sa mga account na to. Pwede ako mag-request ng 2,750 per account. So, I have like, yeah, very, very close. I'm very close. 197. Check natin, no. I feel like there's an account that is ready for payout, but gusto ko sabay-sabay sila. Malayo pa tong tatlo, but yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep trading them. So I'm gonna call this a day. I'm gonna call this a W because, you know, from red to green, what could I ask for? Chat, I'm gonna call this a day. Okay, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm not gonna be live on YouTube, unfortunately. I'm gonna be live with my private community and focus with them. May SMT na ba? I don't know. Did not use SMT in this trade. But yeah, chat. Tawag dito. I'm gonna be out now. I'm done for today. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'm not gonna be live for AM session. I'm gonna be focused on my private community this week. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Maybe daily recap. Bawal ata yung ganyang style sa CFD. Yeah, bawal yung ganyang style sa CFD because you're gonna get wrecked with spread. Walang spread, almost hindi visible ang spread when you're trading futures. Almost walang spread. Sa CFD, spread pa lang talo ka na. Spread sa CFD is like 7 points and that's like, you know, too much. I just need 10 to 12 points a day on NQ to make money. Imagine down ka agad when you trade sa CFD. But yeah, this is not allowed on CFD. If you're trading CFD, you need a different approach where I talk about it on my private community. If you want to join, you know where to go. Link down below, chat. Pero hindi nyo kailangan mag-join if you're profitable again. But if you want to support me and help me get rich, sub on my Discord, chat. So yeah, I'm just gonna be real. I'm just being real with you guys. So I'm gonna call it a day here, chat, and it's been fun. I'm gonna miss you guys. Hopefully I get to talk to you guys on my Discord, but I'll call this a day. Peace out. Bye, everybody. Talk to you soon. Peace out.